Okay, so good morning, guys. Let's start our today's recording section. I'm going again back to the Word. Okay, Word is the applications. Okay, now I'm choosing to the blank document, which one we are choosing regularly. Recently, we done file, home, insert, draw, design, and layout, right? So today we are going with the another tab that's called to the reference. Okay, reference why we are using, because if suppose I want to give to the reference to the anyone, means like simply if we are going to the job interview, right? So what people, if suppose there is already someone, our friend is working over there, he can give you a reference, right? So what happens, same as like this whole reference tab we are using only for reference purpose. Like, sir, exactly in a what exactly in the real world how we can use the references? Simply suppose I want to write a one proper book. Okay, that proper book, have you seen over there in the second page we have the content? Like suppose I have the video topic, or I have the different topics, that topics having the different page, right? And the second page, you can see what is the second page of your book. Over there they wrote it as the proper content, which topic is which page, right? So means which page is like that, so that is called exactly the reference. So how we can create that reference? You can see the first group we have the table of the content. This table of the content we are using for to the, if suppose I want to create the reference into the first page or second page, is depend upon where exactly you want to create. Okay, suppose I just left my first page as it is. Okay, I'm going to the second page. Okay, enter. I'm going to the second page. And over here, I'm just taking a random text. How I can take the random text? Is equal to rand inside of the bracket. I want at least the four paragraph. Okay, so I put it the four paragraph. You can see done. I made it as the, first you want to make as the title also. So I'm going over here and I'm making the video as the one title. Okay, two as the one title, theme as the one title, and another one is the save as the title. Okay, this title I made it. Okay, after that I am highlighting that one by one title. I'm going to inside of the home and I'm applying what to the heading one. Okay, heading one done. I want to apply for the two also. I'm applying for this. I'm applying for the theme two. Okay, I'm applying for the save also. You can see I apply for the everyone as the title. Now what happened, these titles are right now everything in the one page, right? So that's why I am put it through the every title in the different pages. Okay, video in the second page. After that I want to put this into the second page. Okay, let me put it to the second page. See, this is another page, two option, two title. After I'm putting to the again enter. Okay, this is my fourth page. Okay, and I'm putting this one is to the fifth page, save one. Okay, now you getting? So I put it every titles in the different pages. So if suppose you have the large document, how people can understand which page is what title, right? So that purpose we are creating our references. So we are just going to the reference. After that we are coming to the our first page. After that, see over here we have the option is what? Table of a content. When we are clicking on the table of content, okay, you can see there are the different automatically table, manually table, the tables are coming. I want to select the automatically table number one. So let me click over here. You can see your content is ready. You can see the video is there in the number two page. You can see the number two page is video only. Perfect. After that, you can see the two. Two is where? Two topic, number three page. Let's go to the number three page. Is it true in the number three page? You can see the down also where I'm allocated number three page. Okay. And where is the last content? Save content is where? Number five. So I'm scrolling down. I'm going to the five page. See over here. This is the last page five. When I'm clicking, you can see it's a five page. So it will be showing where is exactly which topic you are routed. Now, but sir, we have to the in insert over here the bookmark, right? So we can click and we can navigate. Yes, we can directly navigate when we have to the word, right? But if suppose when we are print out this all pages, that time we don't have this option, then how he can go to the that particular page? That's why we are creating over here what as the reference. But suppose you have the sub first topic as the video, and these themes, these two topic you want to put inside of the video. So how we can put only the simple stuff? I want to go to the reference and I want to change the add text, means I want to change the level 1, level 2, level 2, level 3, like that. So I'm going to the second two where is that, over here in the two option. I'm clicking, just select, I'm not selecting, I'm just clicking over here. After that, see over here is the option what, add text. Just click over here. Right now level is 1, means the upper level I want to put to the second level. See, I'm clicking to the second. So right now even check that the color also the change. Now again I'm going to the first page. You can see which page is number 3, but you can see right now 2 is not under the video. So how we can put, just say over here the third option, update table. When we are clicking to the update table, we need to say update entire table, means whole table. Okay, now we are saying to the okay. Now you can see the video is right, means 2 is under to the video, right? After that I want theme also under to the video, same as it is. Go to the number 3 page, means number 3 page, right, isn't it? After that themes is option over here, just select over here, means just click over here. After that, see add text, I want to change the level, so click the second level. Even see the color also the change. Now this one is complete. Now when we are going back again, you can see there is not yet a theme inside of the video. I want to say what, update the table. When we are clicking on the update a table, I want to say update the entire table, means whole table. Now say okay. Now you can see theme is right now under to the video. So this is option we have inside of the table of the content. Okay. Now after that we have to the footnote. Footnote means what? A footer side section. You can write exactly the note of the meaning of the word. Right now, suppose there I have the one video, and I want to say that about the documents. I mean there is the one word. Okay, I want to talk about this word meaning. Okay, so we can add the footnote inside of that. How we can do? Just select your document. Okay, the text. After that, click on insert footnote. Okay, when we are clicking to the footnote, you can see it's automatically coming to the down section. Okay, now right now documents means what? It's a called as the file. Okay, now over here you can see they put it also the one meaning is what? File. Where is the one? Check over here is the one, isn't it? So means the document meaning is the file. Means what? We are saying to the meanings to the downside as like a reference, right? We are going to what? We are creating two different references are over here. Okay. Now after that again, if you want to insert another one end note, you can put to the that also. If you want to show that the notes, how many notes we have, so we can, when we are saying to show notes, it will be automatically coming to the notes section. So this is exactly the notes we have. After that we have to the a biography. Biography means what? If suppose there is the someone author and he want to create, means he suppose that that particular book author, and we need to say about him. So we can do, suppose guys, I'm going over here and I'm writing about him. Okay, you can write anywhere, is not mattering. Just you can see I'm clicking over here the insert citations. Okay, I'm clicking over here and I'm saying add that. When I'm saying there we need to fill the information like the language which one we are using, which article sources is that. Suppose I'm saying to the author, even when we are drop down menu, there are put it that like a book author, which author, articles, or what exactly is this. Suppose he written one book. Okay, so I'm clicking on the book. Now book author is what? Suppose I'm saying the book author is Rohit. Okay, Rohit Kadam. Okay, after that, cooperate the author, anyone the another who's the operating that all stuff, or maybe the sub author, anyone have. If we have, we can click over here, we can write also. Or if you don't have, don't write anything. After that, what? The title means what exactly his book wrote. So I'm putting as this example as the book. After that, year when he completed that, suppose 2023. Okay, after that, city, suppose I'm writing in the Sierra Leone. Okay, in this city I've written the book. Okay, after that you can see the publisher, who is exactly the publisher. Like we have the different publishers who are publishing your book. Okay, so suppose over here we are using WordPress. Okay, WordPress or Word, they are giving one example, WorksPress. Okay, so I'm using that one author, and after that what I'm showing, show this biography in the field. Okay, I don't want to fill that. Okay, just I want to fill this information and